Today we're gonna make this super easy dinner recipe, 1 sheet pan lemon garlic chicken with vegetables. To get started on making our 1 sheet pan lemon garlic chicken with vegetables, we have all our ingredients here. So we have a pound of fresh green beans that are cleaned. We're gonna take 1 pound of potatoes and cut them in half, baby potatoes, and we have 4 chicken thighs. So this is super easy. Preheated the oven, 425. Have it ready. Minimal mess because we have all our ingredients, and we're gonna put it on 1 sheet pan to cook. Potatoes are cut, and I have a lemon here. I'm gonna slice this too for the end. We're gonna put lemon slices right on top of our chicken. So we have that ready. We have our potatoes in the bowl. Our green beans are ready. Add them to the bowl. And then we have our chicken. Clean it, chicken thighs. I'm gonna add these to the bowl because we're just gonna mix all the olive oil, lemon, everything together. So I have a cup of lemon juice. We're gonna do about a cup of olive oil, about a cup. So coat all our vegetables and our chicken. Then we're gonna do a tablespoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of minced garlic. We're gonna mix this together. Clean hands. Rub that into the chicken skin, and then we're gonna put this down on our baking sheet. So here's our baking sheet. We'll put all our veggies down first, and our potatoes. And all this extra juice here, look at that. Already looks great. So now here, look at this chicken. Rub all the herbs on that into the chicken. Put that down on top of our veggies. Add the juice on the top. Add our lemon slices to bake. Oven's already preset. We're gonna stick this in the oven. Looks good. Dinner is ready. This 1 sheet pan, lemon, chicken, garlic, vegetables, all ready. For this recipe and hundreds of others, check out my website at nikkiglekis.com.